Here is mine. I built the exploding farm for myself. I want to blog right here, and the description will be music up, but nope. It even hit up the more, and flame is much hotter. Look, the white hit it, then it senses all of them, then it turned white. Then if you put crude oil on it, it will still burn. Just put lava. This is sleeve. It can pass through kinetic, but it's not protected through. It can even increase the temperature, but nope, it's getting on fire. Let me speed this thing up. Then before, I want to show you, but nope. I will delete this, but I will make a new one. Leave this one because for the recording. And here, do you know about this? Make it look like a sword, hot sword. Huh? This now it's pretty hot. Now the fingers. Now the fingers and the triangular here will burn. Then it's done.